So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket. And as you can see on my screen, Gemini Omni has become free for everyone. Yes, you heard it right. If you remember, Gemini Omni is a paid feature in Gemini app and in Google Flow, A plus Pro and Ultra subscribers. But as you can read here, it is available for free of charge, especially within YouTube Short Remixes and YouTube Create app. So one of the most powerful video editing and video generation AI model is now free of cost, but with a trick that is in YouTube Short Remix and YouTube Create app. So the next video that will be coming is from my phone, where I'll be trying to use Gemini Omni for free using YouTube Short Remixes and the YouTube Create application. So let's get started. Let's see the power of Gemini Omni for free for everyone. So as you can see, I've opened YouTube Shorts by Isha Gupta, and here you can see an option for remix this scene. On top you can see that. So we'll try to remix this shorts. So I will write a prompt here, turn it into a sitcom, and then I will press enter. As you can see, there are multiple suggestions that are coming out that you can also use to generate using Gemini Omni for free. Here on the screen you can see that my phone screen is coming for you, and it is started creating the video. Basically video editing is happening here using Gemini Omni, and this is available for free for everyone who want to post on YouTube. But also if you want to just experiment Gemini Omni, this is a great opportunity, a very quirky way of using the best AI video generation model for free. As you can see, as we are talking, the model has already generated 67% of the video. This is one of the best video generation model and is taken at par with Nano Banana, but for video editing. Now as you can see on my screen, it doesn't appear to have done anything right now. So the first attempt was a fail. Now there's a second attempt that we are doing, making the working desk as a lush green garden. That was a prompt that we gave in, and again it has started working. We will see whether it is able to edit anything in the existing shots or not. This is a very crazy idea. Let's see how it is able to edit this video. But yeah, the model looks good. In the previous attempts that I've done on YouTube Shorts, I think the integration might be a challenging point here. Let's see, the video has been generated now, and yes, the desk has become a garden. You can see flowers on the lady's hair, vines are coming out, leaves everywhere. As you can see, very interesting. The video has been edited, and Gemini Omni has shown its powers now. Now let's give another prompt, turn the office desk into a lush indoor garden. Now we will turn it into a heist movie. So you will be seeing laser lights coming out, spotlights, etc. This would be very interesting prompt that we have given, and let's see how it edits this lady's shots to using Gemini Omni. So this is a very interesting way of using the free model, which is paid for everyone on Gemini, but here they are providing it for free so that you start creating content. I think they want to push YouTube for shorts, and this is a unique way of adding the best AI video generation model for free for everyone. Even the time limit is quite fast. As you can see, it has started now. Red lights are coming out, spotlights, laser beams. Very interesting edit, I would say. And yes, I am quite impressed by this. So I hope you try out this remix section on YouTube Shorts. This is not available on desktop. Thank you.